Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing for you, and this time is a completely different box. Allison Barnes Yarn, the Fibre Fix. This came all the way from Canada. If you haven't checked Allison, check it out. She dyes yarn, she sells yarn, but also she offers different boxes. And just on the screen you can see her website, and she has a few options for you. She has a fingering box, DK worsted box, spinning box, then it's yarn of the month, which is not a subscription, so I presume you just pay one. And then you have yarn of the month, which is a sock set. Do you see the prices? I hope you do, because it's all in Canadian dollars. Anyway, the fun part was that I went on Instagram and checked Allison's account. So on the screen now you can see it, and you can see how fun it is to follow it. Not only that she's showing her beautiful yarn, which you probably is going to be tempted, but she also includes some really funny things, as you can read them on the screen. I hope you enjoyed a bit of a research I did for you. Okay, so what kind of box did I get? I don't have a clue. I didn't even tell Allison that I got it yet, so I just want to surprise her to put it on the video and then tag her. That's normally what I do. Yay! So what did I get? And you know what, with those Canadian dollars, just double check. We can have a sneak peek. So you see it all, I don't have a clue. Ooh, did you see it? So nice. We have a beautiful business card. So nice. So you have all informations on the screen now. Just double check. I'll definitely put them down below. Okay, I'm going to show you this side, but I'm going to show you the other side too. So check it out. This is a nice note from Allison to everyone who gets, I think, the box that I got. But, so freeze if you need to, but on the other side, look what I got. Do you see this? Do you read it? Read it, read it. Did you get the code? knittingILove 20. It's valid for any purchase. Am I right? Wow. 20% off, ladies and gentlemen. Check the links down below. Definitely. Okay, I hope you like your Fibre box. Well, I don't have a clue. I haven't opened it yet, but I like this color. Oh my goodness. Oh my. This. Oh my. Okay. So in this box I got 2 skeins of yarn. They kind of worsted, I think, but I'm going to read it. So beautiful. Okay, yes, cashmere worsted. You kidding me? 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon. We have 200 yards, this is 115 grams. My heart is beating. Is that information? When did you dye it? No, that's the name. October 2018. Autumn Splendor. One of a kind? No. What's YOTM? Does anyone knows what this means? Allison, you're definitely watching. What's YOTM? But look at this. No worries, I'm going to show you close up. I'm going to just take it off. I'm probably going to cast on russet. So nice. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you these two together. So beautiful. If that reminds you an apple, because it does to me. The best part is to do this. Such a nice thing. Look at this. And I believe this red comes together. Oh. So what you can do with the yarn when you have 2 skeins, you can put them together and see how they work. Obviously, it won't work the way you see it. They can play well together. So nice. So nice. thank you so much for the yarn. Let me know down below, whoever's watching, have you ever tried Allison's yarn? It is a Canadian dyer, and I know I have a lot of you out there. So let me know, I'm so interested to know. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. One more time, just to remind you, the links are down below, so check it out, especially that Instagram account, I would say, just double. Definitely follow, and wow, thank you so much. I love it. Therefore, thank you so much for watching, and I don't know what to say. Again, don't forget to use coupon code, check it out, it's so much fun. If you're in Canada, I would say go for it, because I never tried this yarn before. Come on, it's like a local person to you. And if you're from around the world, it's something cool to try something from abroad. And these days it's so hard to get something that was actually made in a certain country. I love it. I love it so much. So this is my trip to Canada. Maybe one day I will go and see you all. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knittingILove. Show me what you're knitting, and what else? Subscribe. You shall see when I'm going to post another video. Oh yeah, and if you're interested in what I'm wearing, all links down below. Bye.